So today we are starting with antidysenteric drugs. The term dysentery is a combination of two words, that is dys meaning bad or difficult and entran meaning intestine. In dysenteric condition, the inflammation of the colonic mucosa occurs which leads to passage of blood and mucus. दैट इज क्या होता है डायसेंट्रिक कंडीशन में बच्चे, जो हमारा क्लोनिक मिकोसा है ना उसमें इन्फ्लामेशन हो जाती है, मतलब कि जब उसमें इन्फ्लामेशन होगी तो क्या होगा, ब्लड आने लग जाएगा और म्यूकस की पैसेज होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। ठीक है, द इन्फ्लामेशन अकर्स बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सोटॉक्सिन्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय सर्टेन प्रोटोजोल एनिमल्स लाइक अमीबा, शिजेला एंड सर्टेन सिलेट प्रोटोजोन दैट इज स्किस्टोमोसा एक्सेट्रा। Depending upon the type of invading parasite, dysenteric condition is grouped in various types, that is amoebic dysentery, bacillary dysentery, balandial dysentery, and schistosomal dysentery. In amoebic dysentery, the dysenteric condition is occurred due to Entamoeba histolica, which infects the large intestine. In bacillary dysentery, the dysenteric condition is occurred due to the various form of dysentery bacilli like Shigella, etc. These parasites attack the mucous membrane of large intestine. In third number, that is balandial dysentery, the dysenteric condition is occurred due to the presence of large ciliate protozoan, that is Balandium coli. Sometimes these protozoan invades the lymphatic gland also. Fourth one is schistosomal dysentery. In schistosomal dysentery, the dysenteric condition is occurred due to the Schistomosa mansoni and it eats two other species. So next one is the drugs that are used in the treatment of dysenteric condition is called antidysenteric drugs. The examples of antidysenteric drugs are Curci and Ipecacuanha. So next one is examples of antidysenteric drugs. First one drug is Ipecacuanha. The synonymous is Ipecac. Biological source of Ipecac is it consists of dried roots and rhizomes of Syphilis ipecacuanha. Syphilis ipecacuanha are also known as Rio or Brazilian Ipecac or Syphilis acuminata. They are also known as Cartagena or Panama Ipecac, and belonging to family is Rubiaceae. Next one is geographical source of Ipecacuanha. Geographical source, the Rio variety is indigenous to Brazil and is cultivated in Malaysia, Bengal, Myanmar and Brazil. The Cartagena variety is indigenous to Colombia and is produced in Panama and Nicaragua. Next one is organoleptic characters. First one is Brazilian Ipecacuanha. They are also known as Syphilis ipecacuanha. Color is dark brick red to dark brown. Odor is faint. Taste bitter. Size up to 150 mm in length and 6 mm in thickness. Shape is roots are found in Totus species. So next one is we are explaining Ipecac plants and their parts. ठीक है, इसमें फर्दर आगे है सेकंड वन टाइप है पनामा इपिकैक्वाना. कलर पनामा इपिकैक का कैसा होता है, ग्रेइश ग्रीन टू रेडिश ब्राउन. ऑर्डर एंड टेस्ट इज सेम एज ब्राजीलियन वैरायटी. साइज इज large size up to 9 mm in thickness. Shape is cylindrical. Next one is chemical constituents of Ipecac. Ipecac contain imatin, cephalin, psychotrine, methyl ether. They are also known as dihydrocephalin and amitamine and ipecacuanic acid. Okay. Next one is identification test of Ipecacuanha. First one, we take 2.5 gram of powder drug, then add 20 ml hydrochloric acid and then add 5 ml water. Shake it well and filter. After filtration, जो filtrate आया उसमें हमने क्या add करना, 0.5 gram potassium chlorate. After standing, the presence of yellow color gradually changing to red, which confirms the presence of amitin. Okay, बच्चे क्या होगा, इसमें हमने 2.5 ग्राम पाउडर ड्रग ली, उसमें 20 ml हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड ऐड कर दिया और 5 ml वाटर. उसको शेक करना, शेक करने के बाद फिल्टर करना है. और जो फिल्ट्रेट आया हमारे पास उसमें हमने फर्दर 0.5 ग्राम पोटेशियम क्लोरेट ऐड कर देना है, ठीक है। आफ्टर कुछ टाइम के लिए इसको ऐसे ही रख देना है, ठीक है। तो क्या होगा, येलो कलर आ जाएगा। पहले येलो कलर क्या होगा, फर्दर कुछ टाइम के बाद चेंज हो जाएगा रेड कलर में, और वो क्या करेगा, कंफर्म करेगा कि इसमें एमेटिन प्रेजेंट है। सो नेक्स्ट वन टेस्ट इज आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट इज, जब हमने क्या करना है, इपिकैक को अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन की प्रेजेंस में देखना है, तो वो क्या करेगा, ऑरेंज फ्लोरोसेंस शो करेगा, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ इपिकैक्वाना। फॉरेन ऑर्गेनिक मैटर इज नॉट मोर देन 1%, ash not more than 5%, and acid insoluble ash is not more than 2%. Next one is pharmaceutical uses of ipecacuanha. It is used as an emetic in the form of syrup. In small doses, it is used as an expectorant. In large doses, it produces diarrhea due to irritation. Next one is antiseptics and disinfectants. Antiseptics are the chemical substances which are used to kill pathogenic microbes or growth of microbes from living surface, while disinfectants are the substances which kill bacteria and their spores from non-living surface. So antiseptics are applied to broken skin after burns and wounds, or they are applied to intact skin before surgical operation or injection. In disinfectants are applied only to those substances which are not only direct applied to tissue due to their toxicity, but they are used for decontaminating drains and also for sterilization of instruments and apparatus. Next one is examples of antiseptic and disinfectants. That is benzoin, myrrh, neem and curcuma are the few examples of natural antiseptics and disinfectant. So first one is benzoin, that is example of antiseptic and disinfectant. इसको हम explain करते हैं benzoin को, ठीक है। First one is synonymous. Synonymous is Sumatra benzoin, gum benzoin and Lauban. Biological sources. Benzoin is balsamic resin obtained from Styrax benzoin. Styrax Tonkinensis belonging to family is Styraceae. Or geographical source, it is produced from trees grown in Southeastern Asia, that is Sumatra, Indonesia. Next one is collection of benzoin. Benzoin is pathological resin collected from 6 years from cultivated wild trees by incision near the base of the trees. The resinous material is allowed to solidify and sun dries. About 10 kg per tree yield is obtained from the benzoin, ठीक है। जैसे आप पिक्चर में देख पा रहे हो कैसे करना, हमने उसको कट करना बेस से, ठीक है, और उसमें से क्या निकलेगा, बाल्समिक रेजिन ऑब्टेन्ड होगा हमें, ठीक है। उसको हमने फर्दर क्या कर देना है, सॉलिडिफाई फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है सन ड्राई करके, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन इज ऑर्गेनोलेप्टिक कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ बेंजोइन. फर्स्ट वन इज सुमत्रा बेंजोइन. Color is grayish brown to gray. Odor is aromatic and characteristic. Taste is sweetish and slightly acrid. And second one is Slam benzoin. Color yellowish brown to rusty brown. Odor agreeable and vanilla-like. Taste is sweetish and slightly acrid. Next one is chemical constituents of benzoin. First one is Sumatra benzoin. Sumatra benzoin contain free balsamic acid, that is benzoic and cinnamic acid. They also contain triterpenoid acid like suma resinolic acid and steare resinolic acid. Next one is Slam benzoin. Slam benzoin contain ester coniferyl benzoate in 75% concentration, or they also contain styrol, vanillin and phenyl propyl cinnamate. Next one is identification test of benzoin. First one test is alcoholic solution of benzoin with water gives milky white solution. Second one identification test is heat small quantity of benzoin in a test tube, covering opening of test tube with a glass plate. Cool the contents of the test tube. Examine the glass plate under microscope. The crystals of cinnamic acid shall be observed. Third one test is to 2.5 gram of benzoin, add 10 ml ether, shake it well, and pour 2 to 3 ml of this extract in a porcelain dish. Add 2 to 3 drops of sulfuric acid. A deep brown color is produced in case of Sumatra benzoin, and a deep purplish red color is produced in case of cyan benzoin. Next one is Fourth one test is add 4 ml solution of potassium permanganate to 1 gram of benzoin and warm. Odor of benzaldehyde is produced in case of Sumatra benzoin. Next one is uses of benzoin, that is carminative, diuretic and irritating expectorant. Next one drug is myrrh. Synonymous of myrrh is myrrha, bole and gum myrrh. Biological sources, it is oleogum resin obtained from Commiphora molmol belonging to family is Bursiaceae. Geographical sources, it is found in Northeast Africa and Southern Arabia. Collection is Bursiaceae. Plants possess oleoresinous canal in their conducting tissue. Plant is small shrub, 3 meter height by incision on bark. It exudes yellowish color resin, gradually hardens and become reddish brown. This mass is collected in goat skin and sent to the market. Organoleptic characters, first one is color. Externally it is reddish brown and internally brown. Odor and taste aromatic and agreeable. Size about 1.5 to 3 centimeter in diameter. Shape, it is found in the form of rounded or irregular tears. Next one is chemical constituents of myrrh. Myrrh contains 10% of thick volatile oil, that is terpene, cuminic, aldehyde and eugenol, and 25 to 40% resin, that are alpha, beta and gamma commiphoric acid. They also contain 3 to 4% bitter principles. Next one is identification test of myrrh. When about 0.1 gram of substance and 0.5 gram of sand are triturated with solvent ether, filtered and allowed to evaporate, the thin film formed, which gives violet color on contact with bromine vapors. Second one identification test is when triturated with water, it forms yellowish brown emulsion. Next one is uses of myrrh. Stimulant, used in mouthwashes and gargles, and it is also used as protective. Next one drug is neem. Synonymous is neem. Biological source is it consists of leaves and other aerial parts of Azadi recta indica belonging to family is Meliaceae. Geographical distribution is it is indigenous and widely grown in India. Cultivation, the plant is propagated by seeds. It survives at high temperature, little rainfall and nutrient deficient soil. The plant bears fruit after 5 years. Organoleptic characters, first one is leaves. Color is dark green to greenish yellow. Taste bitter. Size 20 to 37 centimeter in length. Shape lanceolate and serrate. Next one is flowers. White scented 5 mm long flowers. Fruit 1.2 to 1.8 centimeter long, oblong shaped and one seeded, smooth greenish yellow in color, intensely bitter in taste. Bark is rough, grayish to brownish in color, channeled in shape, about 10 mm in thickness, internally yellowish in color, laminated and fibrous. Next one is chemical constituents of neem. Neem contain azadirachtin, selenin and malonitol, and neem leaves contain nimbosterol and quercetin, and neem seeds contain azadirachtin, selenin, malonitol and malleolin. Neem bark contain nimbin, nimbinin, nimbidine, nimbosterol and margocin. Next one is uses of neem. First one is antiseptic, insecticide, antiviral, fungicide, and they are also used in treatment of AIDS. Next one drug is curcuma. Synonymous is turmeric. Indian saffron, and haldi. Biological sources, it consists of dried or fresh rhizomes of Curcuma longa belonging to family is Gingibraceae. Geographical distribution of curcuma is, it is cultivated in Pakistan, Malaysia, and China. Curcuma is also cultivated in India. In India, it is cultivated in Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, UP, and Punjab. Next one is organoleptic characters of curcuma. First one is color. Externally, it is yellowish to yellowish brown colored, and internally it is yellowish orange to orange colored. Odor is characteristic, taste slightly bitter, size 2 to 5 centimeter in length and 1 to 2 centimeter in thickness. Shape, round turmeric rhizomes are ovate or oblong, while long turmeric rhizomes are cylindrical in shape. Next one is chemical constituents of neem. Curcuma. Curcuma contain 5% volatile oil, resin, yellow coloring substance, curcuminoids, curcumin, termiron, gingiberine, borneol, caprylic acid. Next one is identification test of curcuma. First one is powder drug with sulfuric acid gives crimson color. Second one is the aqueous solution of turmeric with boric acid gives reddish color, which on addition of alkali changes to greenish blue color. Third one is with acetic anhydride and concentrated sulfuric acid, turmeric gives violet color. When this test is observed under UV light, red fluorescence is observed. Next one is uses of turmeric. Antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, expectorant, coloring agent in ointments and creams, and it is also used in condiment or spice. Next one is antimalarial drugs. Antimalarial are the drugs which are used in treatment of malaria or prophylaxis of malaria. Malaria is an acute infectious disease caused by Plasmodium species, that is protozoan parasite, and 4 species that infecting malaria in human is Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, and Plasmodium ovale. It is transmitted by female Anopheles mosquitoes. Malaria is characterized by high fever with shivering, anemia, and profuse sweating. The examples of antimalarial drugs are Artemisia annua and Cinchona. Next one is Cinchona, that is antimalarial drug. Synonymous is Jesuit bark and Peruvian bark. Biological sources, Cinchona consists of dried bark of Cinchona officinalis, Cinchona calycia, Cinchona lageriana, Cinchona suciruba belonging to family is Rubiaceae. Next one is geographical distribution of Cinchona. Cinchona mainly cultivated in India, Peru, Bolivia, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Tanzania, and Colombia. In India, it is cultivated in Annamalai Hills, Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu, and in Darjeeling of West Bengal. Next one is cultivation and collection of Cinchona. In West Bengal, only budding method was practiced, while in Tamil Nadu, budding and layering method were practiced. The optimum temperature for the growth of Cinchona is 60 to 75 degrees F. It grows satisfactory below 1000 meters. Rainfall in between 250 to 380 centimeter, well distributed throughout the year. Light, well-drained forest soil rich in organic matter is found to be stable for Cinchona cultivation. Acidic soil with the pH of 4.2 to 5.6 and a little nitrogen content is found conducive to the maximum growth of Cinchona. So next one is organoleptic characters of Cinchona bark. Color stem bark, outer surface is dull brownish gray to white. Inner surface is yellowish brown to deep reddish brown. And root bark is both the surfaces are of identical color and are deep reddish brown. Order, slight and characteristic taste, astringent and bitter taste. The size and shape of cinchona species varies from species to species as follows. That is सिंकोना आप अलग अलग से बच्चे इन्होंने दिया है, ठीक है, डायमीटर, थिकनेस एंड सरफेस. फर्स्ट वन इज सिंकोना कैलिसाया. Diameter is 12 to 25 mm, thickness is 2 to 5 mm and surface broad longitudinal fissures with transfer cracks. Second one is Cinchona lageriana. Diameter of Cinchona lageriana is 12 to 25 mm and thickness of Cinchona lageriana is 2 to 5 mm. Surface of Cinchona lageriana is broad longitudinal fissures and cracks, more in number but less deep. In case of Cinchona officinalis, the diameter is up to 12 mm and thickness up to 1.5 mm. And surface of the Cinchona officinalis is the number of transverse cracks are present. Fourth one is Cinchona susiruba. Diameter of Cinchona susiruba is 20 to 40 mm and thickness of Cinchona susiruba is 2 to 5 mm and surface of Cinchona susiruba are longitudinal wrinkles but less transverse cracks. Next one is chemical constituents of Cinchona. The main chemical constituents that contain Cinchona is 25 quinoline alkaloids, mainly quinine, quinidine, cinchonine, and cinchonidine. Other constituents that are present in Cinchona is quinacine, cinchonicine, hydroquinone, hydrocinchonidine, and homocinchonidine. Next one is identification test of Cinchona. First one is powder. First one we take powder drug and then add glacial acetic acid. They produce purple vapors that are produced in the upper part of the test tube. Second one test is Thielequine test. In this test, first of all, we take powder drug, then bromine water, then ammonia solution. It gives green color. Test for quinine. In this, powder alcoholic extract is used. Then add dilute sulfuric acid, which gives blue fluorescence. The uses of Cinchona is antimalarial due to quinine, antipyretic, cardiac depressant, and bitter, tonic, and stomachic. So that's all about your lecture.